Mastering Mail Merge, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful topic, especially for those who work in offices or handle a lot of documents. Mail merge. Whether you're sending letters, labels, or emails, understanding mail merge can save you time and effort. So, let's get started. Mail merge is a powerful feature used in word processing software. It allows you to create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. For example, if you have to send a letter to 100 people, you don't need to write 100 separate letters. Instead, you create one template and then merge it with a data source, like a spreadsheet, that contains the individual information for each person. There are two main components in a mail merge. 1. The main document. This is the letter, email, label, or envelope you want to send. It contains fixed content that will be the same in each copy. 2. The data source. This is usually a spreadsheet or database. It contains variable data like names, addresses, or any other personal information. By combining these two, Mail Merge automatically generates multiple versions of the main document, each one personalized according to the data source. The process of mail merge generally involves these steps. 1. Create the main document. You start by writing the document that will be sent to multiple people. 2. Prepare the data source. Next, you prepare a list of recipients in a spreadsheet or database. 3. Link the document and data source. You then connect your main document to the data source. 4. Insert merge fields. In your main document, you place merge fields where personalized data should appear. 5. Preview and complete the merge. Finally, you preview the documents to ensure everything looks right and then complete the merge to create individual documents for each recipient. Mail merge is incredibly useful for sending personalized letters or emails, whether for business, invitations, or announcements. Creating labels or envelopes, for mass mailings, like holiday cards or marketing materials. Generating certificates or reports, where specific individual data needs to be inserted into each copy. Mail merge is a fantastic tool that can make handling large-scale mailings or document personalization a breeze. By understanding and utilizing mail merge, you can save time, reduce errors, and add a personal touch to your mass communications. I hope this video helps you in mastering this useful skill. Happy merging!